This video, we're going to check how we build a strong portfolio without spending a single penny from our end. Let's go check it. Hello and hi, welcome to Passive Income. Here in this video, we're going to see how to build a portfolio without spending a single penny. I mean it, without spending. For that, we need some time and patience. Normally, by working or doing business or investing are the option to make money. For above all, we need to spend a lot of time. Same here. If you got few $100s and lot of time, this going to work for you? Wait, did I say few $100? Yes. Remember, you are not going to spend it, only lending it. In other words, investing. You can take it back whenever you need it. First, I am going to show what I did so that you can have a proof. I had $300 which I am ready to lose or I didn't need it in the nearby time. So I decided to put it in the high interest saving account where I thought it's going to grow. But the interest rate is not even matching the fluctuation. Then did some research and watching the market by creating a watch list to find a company where the money is going to grow better than the high interest saving account, and finally decide to invest in it. On January 29th, I bought 1000 shares of GBC at 30 cents and set a target selling price of 45 cents. Within a couple of weeks, on February 12th, it reached my targeted price. Now I got two options: to take the whole money back with the profit and enjoy it, or just take my invested money back and keep the rest of the profit as a shares to ride the future. This way I can build the portfolio. I choose the second one. Now I am ready to put back my $300 in another company which is also from my watch list, and I am ready to wait for few weeks or even months. Once it reaches my target price, I will secure my invested money 300 by pulling it back and left my profit as shares. By keeping on doing it, we can build a portfolio without even spending a single penny. So, in summary, building a portfolio without spending a single penny will be achieved by following these few steps. Have some money handy, which is your trump card to put it in and get it back. Do some research and create a watch list. Pick a stock. Pick the correct price which is suitable for you to enter in. Feel free to click the link showing above to know how I pick a stock. Once you bought the share, fix the selling price with a profit. It is so important to set a target sell price. Take your money back which you invested yearly and leave the profits as shares. Repeat the process with different company. At end of the road, you're going to have a strong portfolio without even spending a single penny from your side. It will be nice if you choose and create watch list with dividend paying companies. Then you can have some money keep on coming as dividend every month or quarter. This is the way you can make money work for you rather than you work for money. Please do research and happy investing. If you like the content and think it will useful, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you soon. Bye.